Grooming isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling confident, staying fresh, and presenting the best version of yourself to the world. But with so many grooming tools on the market, it can be overwhelming to know which ones are truly worth your time and money. That's why we've put together a list of the top 5 grooming kits every man should own. Whether you're maintaining a sharp beard, a clean shave, or overall personal hygiene, these kits have you covered from head to toe. Upgrade your grooming game with the Beardscape V2, the ultimate all-in-one solution for beard and body hair care. Engineered with precision, this premium trimmer features a ceramic blade 4 times harder than stainless steel, ensuring sharpness that lasts longer and a smoother, snag-free trim every time. With a wide range of adjustable length settings and fine-tuning, down to 0.3 mm, you can achieve everything from a close stubble look to a perfectly shaped beard or body trim. Its versatile design handles both facial and body hair effortlessly, while the ergonomic grip makes extended grooming sessions comfortable. The Beardscape V2 also boasts upgraded features, including an intuitive digital display, travel lock, and USB-C charging for up to 4 hours of cordless runtime. Lightweight yet durable, it's designed for precision, convenience, and style. Whether you're maintaining a classic beard, sculpting modern styles, or grooming body hair, the Beardscape Beard and Body Trimmer V2 delivers professional results right at home. Experience the smoothest shave where it matters most with the MANSCAPED Ultra Smooth Package, a precision grooming kit engineered specifically for your most sensitive areas. This all-in-one bundle includes everything you need for a safe, comfortable, and irritation-free shave below the waist. Start with the Crop Exfoliator, a gentle pre-shave scrub infused with witch hazel, willow bark, and volcanic rock to remove dead skin and prevent ingrown hairs. Then, apply the Crop Gel, a clear, lubricating shave gel enriched with grapeseed, coconut, and jojoba oils, giving you full visibility and control as you shave. Finally, finish with the Crop Shaver, a premium razor featuring triple stainless steel blades, a pivoting head, and wide lubricating strips infused with aloe, avocado, and vitamin E for unmatched glide and protection. Compact and travel-ready, the kit includes 6 replacement blades and a sleek case, making it ideal for home or on-the-go grooming. Whether it's your first time or part of your routine, the Ultra Smooth package ensures a close, confident shave every time, with comfort and care built in. Smooth, safe, sensitive skin approved. That's Manscaped. Achieve a perfectly smooth head with the Raze Head Shaver 2.0, engineered for precision, comfort, and versatility. Featuring a 5-rotor flex head system, it effortlessly adapts to the contours of your scalp, capturing more hair per pass for a faster, closer shave. The titanium-coated blades reduce friction and irritation, leaving your skin smooth and comfortable. Designed for both wet and dry use, the ergonomic palm grip design lets you shave with ease, even without a mirror. The Raze 2.0 also comes with USB-C fast charging, a digital display for battery status, and a convenient travel lock delivering up to 80 minutes of cordless runtime. Whether you're maintaining a bald look, sculpting precise edges, or grooming other areas of the body, the Raze Head Shaver 2.0 combines professional-grade performance with user-friendly design for flawless results every time. Stay sharp and well-groomed wherever you go with the Tweezerman Essential Grooming Kit, a compact, travel-ready set that covers all your daily grooming needs. Inside the sleek carrying case, you'll find 4 precision-crafted stainless steel tools designed for lasting performance. A tweezerette for removing unwanted hairs or splinters, curved facial scissors with rounded tips for safe trimming, a precision nail clipper for clean, even cuts, and a multi-use nail tool that doubles as a cuticle pusher, under nail cleaner, and file. Each piece is engineered for accuracy and comfort, making it easy to maintain a polished, professional look from head to toe. Whether you're at home, on the road, or managing your routine between shoots or meetings, the Tweezerman Essential Grooming Kit keeps everything organized and ready to perform. Durable, hygienic, and thoughtfully designed, it's grooming simplified. Experience the ultimate in shaving comfort with the GilletteLabs heated razor. Designed for those who value both performance and luxury, this razor features an innovative stainless steel warming bar that heats up in under a second, delivering a soothing, warm shave reminiscent of a professional hot towel treatment. With dual heat settings, you can customize the temperature to suit your skin's sensitivity and enjoy a consistently smooth glide. Equipped with 5 precision blades mounted on Gillette's Flex Disc technology, the razor adapts effortlessly to every curve of your face, minimizing tugging, nicks, and irritation. The premium rechargeable handle, complete with a magnetic charging dock, provides up to 6 shaves per charge, while its water-resistant design allows for easy cleaning. Crafted with high-quality materials and a sleek, weighted handle, the GilletteLabs heated razor elevates your grooming routine into a truly indulgent experience. A well-chosen grooming kit can make all the difference in your daily routine, saving you time while keeping you looking polished and confident. From trimming your beard to managing hair and skincare, the right tools empower you to take control of your personal style. So invest in these essentials and make grooming not just a routine, but a statement of self-care and confidence. Thanks for watching.